What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the gas strut that helps you open and close your trunk. The only thing you're going to need is the gas struts themselves and a flat screwdriver. The first thing you're going to do is open up the trunk and have someone strong hold up the trunk lid. Next, take the screwdriver and pull up firmly on the metal clip that holds this socket onto the ball. You'll see in a second what I mean. There you go. On the top side, it's exactly the same. You pull away on that clip and separate the ball from the socket. Now's a good time to come in and clean this surface really well. And what you're doing when you pull up on this clip here, it separates the jaws on the inside. It separates those small clip jaws on the inside there, and it lets it hold onto the ball without coming off. So to reinstall it, you're going to do the same thing in reverse. Just put your screwdriver in there, pull that clip up and out, pop it onto the ball, and release the clip. In this case, on the bottom side, it doesn't match up the ball in the socket here, so you give it a firm grip and you give it a twist until they line up, and then you should be good to go. Then same thing here, pull up on the clip with the screwdriver, insert it onto the ball, and release the clip. And now you can see your trunk will open and close without sagging. And that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also check out all my other maintenance videos if you're interested. And we'll see you on the next one.